ready to dye a wig. Trying to get back into content. It's hard when life is just happening. But you know what? No excuses. Okay, we went from Ginger 13.4, 150 density, 26 inches from UNICE hair to red, Jessica Rabbit red. Okay. Okay, I'm going in with the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to wash the wig right now before we dye it. Then I'm going to go in and dye it with the Instant Splat dye. I'll post a picture above. I'm going to use the deep conditioner and the silicone mix so we can make sure she's long, soft, and luxurious for install. Okay. This brought my wigs back, y'all. My honey blonde wig that I got, it feels softer than it's ever felt. And you leave this on there, it's safe for after you wash the hair and towel dry it. Then you apply with massage. You leave on 2 to 3 minutes. I accidentally left it on for like 30 minutes. I ain't even gonna lie. I was working from home, and yeah, sometimes you get carried away with your calls, but I left it on for like 30 minutes, y'all. And mine, human hair wig, it's honey blonde. It was feeling real live. Okay. So, what we gonna do? Just trying to wrap my head around this real quick. I'm gonna put that on after. We gonna put that on after. Okay, this ginger wig is from UNICE hair. It's a 13x4 26-inch 150 density wig. I think I bought this wig 2 years ago. Can I say 2 years ago? It was 2020 or 2022. It's 2024 now, but I take care of my wigs. Now we're giving her a new color, and we're going with the Jessica Rabbit hair color vibe for Christmas and the New Year. I installed this wig and my honey was just eating me up, okay? I love changing it up for myself, for my husband. You look good, you feel good. So, plus I'm not ready to embrace my grays. So to each his own. All right. This is me going in, dyeing the hair with that crimson red color. And then we're going to let the wig sit for 30 minutes to an hour. And this dye was a semi-permanent, so it did not end up staining my counters and my sink. It actually came out after about a week. And baking soda did help. So give it a try. And the dye, it did go through to the lace, but it wasn't as bad once I put my, I did the rinse on the dye and then I put my makeup to tint the lace. It all worked out perfectly. So don't overthink it. That might not always be the case though, depending on what you're dyeing with, what products you're using. Okay, this is me rinsing the color out. Then we're going to stick her on the mannequin and we're going to brush through her and then air dry her a little bit. And don't forget your heat protectant. That's key. Where's my middle part? Yeah, so we Christmas ready. I got it on cold water right now, y'all. Okay. Cold water. Cold water. Good water, and you wouldn't have thought that it would have came out as red as it did by the way that it looks here. I was so worried that the ginger was just gonna pop over the red. But she came out so beautiful. Trust the process. Trust the process, ladies. Okay, I'm going in with the silicone product here, and I'm going to let that marinate on the wig for about 30 minutes, and I'll be back. And then we're going to put the conditioner. Okay, I went in with the Splat Deep Conditioner at the end, let that sit about 20 minutes, and then I put it on the mannequin head. Yeah. Look at the fire. It's so pretty. Christmas time and the holidays are always so nice. Yeah, this was a wonderful, peaceful evening. Okay, so I let her air dry overnight. Then we did the install the next day. I'm so sorry I didn't do the recording of me installing this wig, but I am going to be installing it again shortly, so I will have a video up on that, okay? All right, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. See how she gonna fluff throughout the night, okay? All right.
If you don't look fire as fuck with this filter, your jeans bad. And you need to be mad at your mom or your dad. I don't know which one of them motherfuckers ugly, but one of them ugly.